GTXR's Web Spatial Club website demo. Over here, I'll be quickly demoing you what we did using Web Spatial. Over here, we're greeted with this beautiful Web Spatial homepage with the Apple Vision Pro tilted, towards the Z-axis, so it gives like that 3D feel as they enter the website. The cards over here are also web spatialized, similar to the Vision Pro. Oops, as you can see right here. So that's like a layer, and so whoever visits the website in the Vision Pro will be greeted with this beautiful pop-out. But the main thing I really wanted to demo in this video is the sponsorship Spatial Studio page that we did. So let's just go there. So this is the new sponsorship page that we remodeled. This is all using Web Spatial, and you can see that the XR translucent background, sort of whenever you move the head, it has like that After Effects, and all these orbs are also in Web Spatial. They are a layer in front, basically, as you can see here, along with the card component itself, right? Yeah, so let's get to opening the studio. So if you open this Spatial Sponsor Studio, we use the React hook called the XR window link, which helps us open this. And you can see that in the studio, we basically made orbs out of each one of our sponsors, and we divided them among tiers right here. So all of this is magnetized. And also every background for every like orb has that XR translucent After Effects, and all of this is also layered and popped out in Web Spatial. Basically all of it is working tilted in front for of these axes, making right use of the Web Spatial as they can. And yeah, so if I click platinum, these orbs would just, whatever our platinum sponsors are, the respective orbs would go and stick there. So if you click on one of them, for example, let's click on Pico, it opens up this card and a little bit description about it. And if any other company wants to become a platinum sponsor and have their platinum orb here in the Spatial Studio, they can contact us from right here. But this is a multi-select, so you can select multiple tiers and you can understand which companies belong to which tier, right? And you can clear the focus, reset the layout, and resume the orbit spinning again. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's one of the biggest features that we wanted to demo. So let's go ahead and close this. I think I'm having a bit of a navigation trouble closing this, but let's just put that to the side and get back to the website. So let's go back up and go back to the homepage. The navigation needs to be fixed. We are aware of that. Let's go to the About page. So over in here, also utilize Web Spatial. Whenever you gaze over here and hit on a specific part of the card, it tilts. There's an XR tilt effect that's going on over there. And as we go down to the executive board, this is also all in Web Spatial, by the way, over here. So this is like another Web Spatial window open within this component itself. And as you click on each card, there's this translucent background, as you can see with the XR blur effect that goes around each XX card. And obviously as you move around, the card has this After Effect that also smoothens the background and moves around along with that, which we thought was pretty sick. And you can also move around each exact card like this. So these essentially are the biggest XR Web Spatial features that we really wanted to demo, because the projects in the events page have a similar board to the About page, where you can sort of drag and play around with the projects and events and click on each one of them to have more description about them. But that's pretty much it, and thank you so much for watching this demo.